Hello, welcome. Another question on Edexcel GCSE question paper, question 18. Here is a trapezium ABCD. The area of the trapezium is given as 66 centimeters square. The length of AB is to the length of CD is given as a ratio of 2:3. So we have to find the length of AB. We are looking for the length here. Alright, so the area of this is being given, which is half the sum of the straight edges, the parallel side. So the sum of AB plus CD times the height. But you can see the height is not given. So we need to be able to find the height. What the height is that has been used to find the area to be 66. So if that is what we are going to do, if I draw the height here, it is going to be perpendicular to the base, meaning the height at this place is facing the angle 30, and this is the hypotenuse. So I can easily find what the height was before the area is being calculated to be 66. So if we can find the height and the lengths are given in ratio, so it means from here to here is going to be 3, which is the CD. Here is going to be the 2. So if I know it is 2, then there is no need for me to find it. But I mean, this is just a ratio, right? So let's see, there is a certain number that can be used to multiply the two of them that has been reduced. You know, it is an equivalent ratio. If I have 2:3, it can be in a fraction form. This is equals to a certain number multiplying. There is a certain number multiplying the x, meaning I'll be having x, 2, 3 times a certain number that will give me the actual length. You get it? The actual length that has been reduced. Since the equivalent fraction, there is a length AB, there is a length CD that has been reduced by a certain common factor. That common factor reduces that value to give us 2, 3. So let the common factor there be x. You see, x cancel x. We come back to 3, 2:3, right? So if this is the common factor, that means the length of AB is actually 2x. Meaning AB is going to be 2x, then CD is going to be 3x. That's the common factor that's used to multiply in order to reduce to get to 2, 3. Alright, so if that is out of the way, we know all that we're looking for except the height. So from here, I'll be saying that sine theta, which is 30, equals to the opposite side, which is h, divided by the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse is going to be the 6. So what do? We cross multiply. So h, can I go? Okay, let me have it here, equals to 6 times the sine of what? 30 degrees. And that is going to be 6 times half equals to 3 centimeters. You know, sine 30 is half, right? So half of 6 will give us 3. So we know the height, we know the length, and this in ratio form. So we can say that area equals to half the sum of AB plus CD times what? The height. That is the formula for the area of a trapezium. So if the area has been provided as what? 6, 6, then we are going to have 2x plus what? 3x times 3. I believe we can substitute. And in the bracket, we're having 5x. But before then, we can also, this is multiplying all of them. So we can divide both sides by the 3. Then if you divide, it gives you 22 equals to 1 on 2 times 5x. Dividing by, this will go. It will come here. What do we do next? We multiply by the LCM, which will be 2. So 2 here will give us 44. Then 2 here will give us only 5x. Then what do? Let's divide both sides by 5. your x is going to be 44 divided by 5. Let's just say this is going to be 8.8. We know 40 divided by 5 will be 8. So another 0.0 will give us 8.8. But we are looking for the length of AB. So therefore, AB is going to be 2 times, that's the value, 2 times the x. And the x is what? 8.8. Or we can multiply it here. That will be 2 here, 88 divided by what? 5. That will also be the case. So 8.8 times 2, 16, 1. So we have 17.6 centimeter. So the length of AB that you are looking for is 17 centimeter. I guess you can find CD by multiplying by what? 3. Alright, I guess the concept is clear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.